Welcome to the DV Comm Systems Channel, your trusted source for expert insights into security, communication, and structured cabling solutions. Today, we're focusing on an increasingly important topic: how video intercom systems serve as a powerful safety measure for solo business operators. Across cities and towns, more professionals are choosing to operate their businesses alone, from independent consultants, retail owners, and medical practitioners to beauty specialists, repair technicians, and studio operators. While running a business solo offers flexibility and independence, it also presents unique safety challenges, especially when interacting with unknown visitors, delivery personnel, or late-night clients. That's where video intercom systems provide an extra layer of security, awareness, and control. Unlike traditional doorbells or voice-only systems, video intercoms allow you to see and communicate with visitors before granting access. This means solo business operators can visually confirm who's at the door, verify credentials, and decide whether to open the door or deny entry without ever placing themselves at risk. It's one of the simplest yet most effective tools for personal protection and access management. At DV Comm Systems, we install smart video intercom systems equipped with remote access features, allowing business owners to manage entry from anywhere. Through a secure mobile app, you can view live video of your entry point, communicate directly with visitors using two-way audio, unlock doors remotely, and receive alerts or playback footage if someone approaches after hours. This technology gives solo operators the confidence to control access safely and efficiently, whether they're behind the counter or working in another room. Video intercoms also provide recorded footage of all interactions, which helps deter suspicious activity and provides evidence in case of security incidents or delivery disputes. When integrated with CCTV cameras or door access control systems, they create a complete safety ecosystem combining communication, verification, and surveillance in one system. At DV Comm Systems, we tailor every installation to fit the needs of small and single-operator businesses, whether it's a boutique, private office, home-based studio, or clinic. Our systems are designed for ease of use, crystal-clear video quality, and secure connectivity, giving you full control over who enters your space while maintaining a professional image for your customers. When you're working alone, safety isn't just a feature, it's a necessity. A video intercom system adds that essential layer of protection, allowing you to focus on your business with confidence, knowing you're always in control of who's at your door. Thank you for watching this episode on video intercoms as a safety measure for solo business operators. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the DV Comm Systems channel for more professional insights on safety, connectivity, and technology. For more information, visit us online at www.dvcsny.com or call 888-501-5885.